Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to be making a cheeseburger casserole. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. So for this video you're going to need cheese, 1 can of diced tomatoes, you might not need the whole can, some ketchup, some mayo, some pre-made mac and cheese. You can use boxed or you can use the last video that I made. There's a recipe for this macaroni and cheese. And 1 package of ground beef. And then some hearts of romaine. So I'm going to start by getting the ground beef and browning it. I'm going to set the oven at 350. Now you're going to grab the ground beef and mix it into the macaroni and cheese. And if you're making the macaroni and cheese while you make this, then I would just do this after you've made it. And now you're gonna line this pan with some of this mixture. Add 1 layer of cheese on top. Add the romaine hearts. Add the tomatoes. Add the pickles. Add the mayonnaise. Add the ketchup. And you're going to cover it with some more of the macaroni and cheese. You're going to finish it off with some more cheese. Once your oven is preheated, you're going to put it into the oven for 45 minutes. Here's the finished product.